a man who changed the face of Gujarat, one of the most successful chief ministers of India, Narendra Modi. But when you look at his simplicity and modesty, it will surely amaze you. Always worked hard, day in and day out, for Mother India. And if you look at how his mother lives, you will be surely mellowed at heart. He could have easily taken the wrong paths that most politicians take once they start tasting success and power. But no, he knew exactly about his roots, and all he wanted to do was serve his state with utmost integrity and total dedication. He could have turned corrupt and could have accumulated wealth for building a lavish house for his mother, but no. His mother still lives in the same old house she has been living since ages. He could have got agitated when he gets criticized by media and others who keep trying hard to tan his image. But each time he got criticized, he decided to answer back in his own style. That is, by proving them wrong, by taking Gujarat to new heights. Unfazed by earthquakes, cyclones, riots, he kept moving forward and resolving each of these difficult issues with sensitivity and tact. Simple and minimalistic living, a pure heart and soul is what you get from these pictures. Narendra Modi has imbibed all these qualities from his beloved mother, who always stood by him through thick and thin. He left his house at a tender age just for one reason: service to humanity. He stands here now with pride and immense trust from his people only because of the blessings of his mother and the people of Mother India.